Ribbing is created by alternating knit stitches and purl stitches, making the smooth V's and horizontal bars of each stitch line up on top of each other in columns. It creates a stretchy fabric, often used for cuffs. To create 1x1 rib, start with an even number of stitches. With the yarn at the back, knit 1 stitch. Then bring the yarn forward down between the needles. Purl the next stitch. Take the yarn back up between the needles and knit the next stitch. Continue alternating between knit and purl stitches, remembering to move the yarn backwards and forwards in between for every stitch.